see your ID?
I have my candidate number.
Yes.
It is here.
Yes, that's it. Yes.
Here it is.
As this is International English Language Testing System powered by IDP, so I'm here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110712. Well, my name is Satvinder, and what shall I call you?
You may call me for my first name, Jasprit.
Okay. So, Jasprit, first of all, just let me know, are you a student? Or do
Yeah,
you work?
well, ma'am, I'm a student. I'm doing Bachelor of Commerce second year.
Okay. Do you enjoy your study?
Yes, ma'am, a lot. Because I have keen interest in business, so I enjoy my studies.
So, what is the most interesting part of your study?
As I earlier said that business is my keen interest and I love it. So it is only interest for me and I will adopt business in my future.
Okay. So, do you feel that after completing your education in the business, you will get a well-paid job in your own country?
Well, I'm not deciding to do a job in my country. So I have decided to grow my business as we have family business of networking. So I will definitely do it in my future.
Okay. So, Jasprit, let's talk something about laughing. What kind of things make you laugh?
Well, funny joke make me more laugh as sometime funny occasions liking a comedy movie make me laugh.
And do you love to make others laugh?
Well, I'm not good at cracking jokes, so I don't think I am a good joke teller to another one, so he or she can laugh.
And how important is it to laugh?
Laughing is very important as it plays a crucial role in our lives. So it removes the stress and strain of the brain. So laughing is very important, and laughing also circulates the blood very fluently.
Okay. So, do you feel that laughing and feeling happy are the one and the same thing?
I think there are two perspectives. Laughing is another thing in comparison to smiling, as people smile when they see others like smiling, and laughing is only when the person is having a very happy moment or remembering someone.
Have you ever joined any laughter club?
Last month I joined a laughter club as it is organized by authorities. The talk of the stand-up comedian Abhinav Singh Basi.
And would you like to work in a comedy movie in the future?
Well, as I said, that I'm not good at cracking jokes, so I will definitely not go into this way because I have other works to do in my future.
Okay. Do you feel that laughing can be bad in some situations?
Pardon?
Do you feel that laughing can be bad in some situations?
I think yes, because person cannot laugh in every situation, so it depends on the situation mostly.
Okay. So, Jasprit, let's move to the second part. Here I would give you a topic about which you need to speak for 2 minutes. And you have 1 minute to think about your ideas. You can even make notes if you want to do so. The topic that you need to speak about is any goal that you want to achieve in your future. Can we start, Jaspreet?
Yes, ma'am. Well, goals are very important in the lives as we direct the person's lives in the future, what he or she has to do in the future. So, goal is very important in everyone's life. So, I am describing about a goal which is very important for me as I want to study abroad before my further studies. As I loved the way abroad people think and the culture, and after completing my second secondary education from Radha Vatika Senior Secondary School, and this I don't know what to do in the future. So I decided to make a decision with my father and my mother. Is that to go abroad for further studies? So I am just preparing for it, and I am just doing IELTS for cracking my IELTS exam, which is very crucial role plays in the file. So after that, all my procedure done, I will think about next January intake. So where I can start my further studies in abroad in the business management, because I love business, because of my father and my mother are earning money from the business. So I will definitely grow our business by getting more ethics and techniques which will improve our family income.
Do you feel that everybody should have a particular goal?
Well, I think yes, because the goals direct the life, as he or she will know what to do in the future or not to do in their future.
And what about revealing your goals? Do you feel that we should tell others about our goals?
Well, I disagree on this statement, because as we listen to the successor talks, so they can't give any suggestion to reveal our goals to other people. So I am disagreeing on this statement.
And do people set different goals at different stages of the life?
Of course, yes, because at every situation of the life, people have their own different opinions. So, with their different opinion, they have different goals. Likewise, in the last few years, I am first goaling in my second secondary education to be very great score. After that, I have a decision for going to abroad, and I will think in future I have more aims to achieve.
And what about the young people? What sort of goals do the young people set in their life?
As I already said that I have a younger goal like to achieve good score in my second secondary education. So first goal is going to achieve is a higher score in their studies. After that they want to achieve good rank in their lives. So younger ones have to think about a goal about their future, what they have to do.
And if we compare the personal and the professional goals, which one do you feel is more important, the personal goal or the professional goal?
As I saw personal goal as compared to professional goal is very important as compared to personal goal, because personal goal direct the future of the person as well as their families plus offsprings. So professional goal is very important compared to personal goal.
And do you think it's important to have realistic goals?
Yes, because we are living in a realistic world, so we have to think about realistic things in the future. So we can't imagine anything about the future. So we have to think about it.
And what you feel about inspiration? Do you feel that there should be always something to inspire a person to work towards the goals?
Yes, motivation also plays a crucial role in everyone's life. Motivation is the thing that person have to take on some occasions. Likewise, person have to attend some seminars so that they are focused to their main goal in their lives.
And what can be the distractions in the path of a person, like the things which distract a person from achieving the goals?
There are many obstacles which come into the lives. Likewise, the family problem is the most important. So, as compared to the family, there are also problems. Likewise, the money income. So, these kind of things may distract the person.
Okay, so do you feel that, like, we see that some people they are very successful while the some they are not able to achieve success in their life? Is there something like we say luck of a person? Do you believe in luck?
Well, yes, I believe in luck because I saw a lot of people who succeed in their life. Likewise, Elon Musk as well as Ambani's in India. So I think they have the good luck in their lives. So they achieve this kind of achievement in their lives. So I think luck is more important. But there is also a factor of work hardness. So it also plays an important role. So while person are doing good work in their life, so it will improve their skill as well as it shows growth of the person.
Do you know some people who have worked hard in their life and they are successful these days?
Well, yes, I saw a lot of people on the social media. Likewise, Elon Musk, Ambani's, as well as Tata Birla.
They are getting success by their luck. As you already mentioned,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
they are getting success from their luck. What about hard work?
Hard work also plays an important role. As I earlier said that these kind of people do mostly hard work, but the luck is also been there in their life, so they got this kind of achievement as they have make the name in the whole world. So both the things are very important.
Alright, so this is the end of your speaking test. You may leave now.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for coming. Just take it with you.
Thank you.